Hello guys, this is allrover, and in the previous lecture we have seen that we should not use the global variable in JavaScript. So what should we do now? I will be showing you the solution for that problem in this lecture. So let's get started. This is the same HTML code that we have seen in the previous lecture. It is just printing the heading avoid using global variables in JavaScript, and it is connected to the two JavaScript file. First is script.js and another one is script1.js. Now in the script.js, instead of writing normal instead of writing in a normal way like we have done in the previous lecture, we should enclose all the things in the inside a function. We are having two scope, global scope and the function scope. So since the global scope is not preferable, so we can use the function scope for that. Now inside the function we have written all the things that is already in the previous lecture, and after that we are calling the print one. Now here also there is a problem, and in the same way in the script1.js file inside the print2 function we have written the same piece of code, and after that we are calling the print2 function. But here also the uh, in this way of enclosing all the codes inside a function, the problem remains the same. Suppose we give the function name as same, then what will be that will be the same case that the variable name is say at the earlier one variable name was same, but now the function name is same. So this is not the solution, but of course this will print the required output, as you can see in the browser, that it will give the required output. It is going to give you the required output. That first it will print file 2, and after 1 second set timeout timer, file 1 is printed. But this is not the solution, and now comes into the picture IIFE, IIFE. So what the IIFE is? IIFE is immediately invoked function expression. So currently we are writing the function, but in IIFE we will be writing only the function expression, and we will not be calling it. It will be called automatically only once. It will be called automatically only once, and the syntax for that I will be showing you. It's just simple, but we will be using IIFE if there are more than one file that is connected to the HTML file, more than one JavaScript file that is connected to the HTML file, then we should use IIFE instead of using function or what we call the global scope variables. We should use IIFE, IIFE, immediately invoked function expression. So this is the function expression. We have not given any name to this function. It is just a function expression. See, I am removing some of the syntax for now so that you did not get confused. Now this is just a function expression, right? Some error is there. Hmm, yeah, this is there. Function is there, and inside that we have written var name set timeout function. We have written the function, close the function, and after that, why it is showing error? there is a proper indentation. That's, why is it showing error? I'm not getting it. Inside it, there is a function. Why it is? What you have to do is that initially we are writing as a function, but now we will remove the function name, and we are using IIFE for now. So we will enclose it under the small bracket. This function is enclosed under a small bracket after removing the function name. After that, for immediately calling, you have to use the twin closing bracket and then semicolon, and you have not to write the print one because it will automatically be called only once. In a similar way, you have to enclose this function inside this small bracket, and we have to write two small bracket enclose bracket, then the semicolon, and you have to remove the function name, and you have not to call this function as it automatically is going to be called. You have not to use the function name. Now if I run this code you in the browser, you and inspect it in the console window, you can see the file2 is printed and then file1 is printed. So the solution for that is using IIFE, for not using global variable and neither using function. And I have already shown you the syntax for the IIFE, how you can use IIFE. So thank you so much for watching and keep following in the next lectures. Thank you very much.